Hello Phoenixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show how you can make a doll body at home. If you have a broken Barbie doll head, you can reuse it and make your own body. So for that, you have to take craft wire and this fabric bag. It's very easily affordable and it's very easily available too. So now what you'll do is that you'll cut out the stripes of the fabric bag, and then what you have to do is that you have to start wrapping it around the craft wire using some glue. So you have to be really patient for this procedure because in this you have to do a lot of wrapping. So as you all know that the leg and the hands are just a little broader from the top, and then slowly when it goes down it is a little thinner. So that's exactly what you have to do. You can just keep on wrapping it around the part where you need it to be little thick, and then the other part will be little thin. So over here I'm making the one leg for the doll, and so as you can see on the top I'm applying more layers except for the bottom. So just keep on applying more on the top half and just cover it very neatly so that the layers won't show. So as you can see, this will be the thigh, and then the knee area will start from here. So it will also be a little thick from top, and then from the bottom it will be a little thinner. I'm sorry guys, my camera is going out of focus many times, so this issue will be fixed very soon, so don't worry about that. And just keep on wrapping it around and do this for all the other body parts as well, like I've done for my 2 feet over here. Now let's take this craft wire for hands and let's start doing this as well. So now I'm leaving 1.5 centimeter from the top and 1 centimeter for the bottom of the hands and the legs, just so I can attach it to the body. If the craft wire won't be able to show, then it won't be attached to the body, so you have to leave that amount of length, and all the lengths will be given on your screen, so you don't have to worry about that as well. So once you're done making the hand, as you can see, I'm wrapping a lot of fabric bag over here on the top half. So now these hands and legs are now completed. Now let's start with the body. So over here I've taken this brown cardboard and I'll trace out the shape of the body over here. After cutting this out, as you can see over here, this is what I get, and this one is with the neck as well. So we'll just stick them together just to make it double and little thick. So once I'm done doing that, I'll just insert this craft wire inside it for the neck, and then let's start making this. So now I'll take this again fabric bag stripes and stick it to the parts where I need the body to be little thick. And then over here this will be the covering for the cardboard. So now I'll stick it properly, and then I'll just cut out the axis. Alright, so I'll repeat this on the other side as well. So now once this is done, as you can see, I'll start wrapping it around more just to give the body a nice shape. Now let's wrap it around the neck as well. Now as you can see, the legs and all these parts are nicely movable and bendable over here. So I'll make the feet and then I'll insert this wire over here in the body. Now I'll insert the hands as well. And I'll fold these. You can give any pose, any size you want, and it is very nicely done. Now let's add the head. So tada, your doll body is completely ready at home. So these are some cardboard cutouts of the hands. You can also stick it over here, just insert it in the craft wire. So guys, if you don't have your body, you can make this, and then after doing that you can just use some glue and just paint the glue all over the body so that it's nicely perfect and dry. And now as you can see, this is the doll body. So guys, I was getting a lot of requests that you guys have to see how to make the doll body. You guys were always waiting for this tutorial because there are a lot of times when you have the head perfectly fine but the doll body is completely broken. So you can make this at your home. It's really easy. And guys, stay tuned for the next video because in that video I'm gonna show how you can dress her up and make her look all that glam and nice. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
No, I'm not here for your show, wasn't asking. But I've been quitting what you're taking. I've been sipping cause I'm making no regrets, I'm not assistant. Just go and be what you will, I'm not missing you, yeah. I'm fucking down with all this shit you told me. Just to grab that I met you, damn you hold me down. All my fortune's just been wasted, all gone. Oh, you made me feel. You thought there's a cure.